Hi everyone, welcome back to GTL Labs YouTube channel. Today we are discussing about automatic shipment creation options and its parameters available in IFS applications. There are several options in IFS applications where you can connect a shipment type with a customer. If you go to shipment type page, you may see there are different kind of shipment types are defined based on the business requirements. If you want to create your own shipment type, you can create it here. I will create SP1 as my new shipment. Here you can decide at which point you want to create your automatic shipment. There are few options. First one is not automatic. Second one is at order release and third one is at pick list creation. For this demonstration purpose, I will put it as at order release. If you go to Shipment Event tab, you may see how you can control each and every event using this toggle. If you turn off one of these toggles, the next step will be automatically triggered. So at the moment, I will keep them as it is. Let's see how we can assign this kind of shipment type to a selected customer order. If you go to Site page and Shipment Management tab, here you can assign your shipment type. In this case, this particular shipment type will be applicable for all shipments which you are going to create within this site. The other option is if you go to Customer page, Address tab, Sales Address Information sub tab, you can assign your shipment type here as well. But in this case, this particular shipment type will be only applicable for your customer. Now you can go to Customer Order page and create a new customer order. You may see that your shipment type was automatically fetched. Now you can save this customer order header. Now I can add my customer order lines here. In line level, shipment type is automatically fetched from the customer order header level. If you want, you can separately change it from line level. Now I'm going to release my customer order. As the next step, you may see that Shipment Lines button first appear here. It means my shipments have been created. By clicking on it, I can go to my shipment lines. Here I am going to open my shipment. You may see that while I was releasing my customer order, shipment was automatically created. Now I am going to go back to my customer order and create another customer order here. It's also for my same customer. I'm going to save my header and add another customer order line. In this case also, my shipment type is same. Now I'm going to release this customer order. You may see that again Shipment Lines button have been appeared here. As the next step, I'm going to open my connected shipment lines. You may see that my new customer line also connected to the same shipment which I was created previously. This has happened due to the parameters I have given to my shipment type. If you want to create a new shipment instead of adding to an existing shipment, you can go to your shipment type page and go to Consolidation Parameters tab. You can add sourceref1 as one of my parameters. Again, I'm going to create a new customer order for my customer. And add another customer order line to it. For my third customer order also, I am using the same customer and its shipment type is same as before. Now I am going to release my customer order. You may see that the shipment line button appears here now. As the next step, I am going to click on it and open my shipment. In this time, you may see that the new shipment has been created for this new customer order. The reason behind this system effect is I have added sourceref1 as a parameter here. In this video, you can decide whether you are going to create a new shipment order or adding your customer order lines to an existing shipment based on the following consolidation parameters. Shipment consolidation parameters. Number 1, planned ship date. Number 2, planned delivery date. Number 3, route. Number 4 is forwarder. Number 5, reference ID. Number 6, doc code. Number 7, sub-doc code. Number 8, to location. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to GTL Labs for more content like this. Do you have any thoughts or questions? Please share them in the comment section. We would like to hear from you.